My family essay.
My family is the lovely family of the world, and an important unit of the society. A small or a big family become of great importance to its members and considered as the strongest unit of the society because various families together make a nice society. A family becomes first school to the children where they receive all the cultures, traditions, and most importantly the basic values of life. A family plays great roles in teaching good manners and habits to the newcomers in the family. It helps in nourishing a better character person in the society. I am really feeling my good fortunate to be born in a small nice family where I learnt everything in the early childhood. Actually, I belong to the middle-class family having 6 members: mother, father, grandparents, me and my younger sister. Every one of us follows the orders of my grandfather because he is the head of the family. We really respect and enjoy his commanding position in the family. He's the great person because he had performed various adventurous activities in his time. He always thinks about our wellness and takes right decision for us. His decision becomes final in all the family matters. He sits on the front chair on the dining table. He takes our class in the early morning and evening to teach us Indian cultures and traditions. He's a very cool personality and friendly person of the family, however every one of us do not have dare to go against him. He's very effective person and wins everyone's heart through nice talk. He's very old, however helps us in doing our homeworks because he was teacher. He teaches us about the tools of success in the life such as discipline, punctuality, cleanliness, moral, hard work, and continuity. My grandmother is also a nice woman and tells us nice stories every night. My father is a principal of the school and like discipline very much. He's very punctual, sincere, and hardworking in nature. He teaches us also that when you eat time will really eat you one day, so never waste time and use it in positive ways. My mom is a sweet and very simple housewife. She cares every member of the family and makes a happy environment in the family every day. She gives special care to the grandparents and kids as well as always helps poor and needy people in the society. We have always been taught from our childhood to love and respect elders and help needy people on the way. My sweet small family is really full of love, care, peace, prosperity, and discipline. Thank you for watching the video.